Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and it is time for a Wagon Wednesday video. And this is the guy that we did the Wagon Wednesday video on about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I found the version A. This is version B. Here's the package again from where we unboxed it a couple weeks ago. The 69 Chevy Kingswood Estate Zinger from Johnny Lightning, but it is an out of world casting, but out of our body anyways. And as you can see, version B. So then I came to the conclusion that there must be a version A. I just couldn't recall seeing it, because usually version A and version B are very distinguishable from one another, like totally different colors. Like one's yellow, one's blue, one's red, one's black. Something that's very obvious, so you know there's two versions. But these two were not that way. So we'll show you that in a minute. And I was hoping that we were going to have the counterpart to this guy here to show you too. The lead sled. The counterpart to this is like a unlettered gloss black bracket racer. It does have these little co-sponsor decals in the side glass, but doesn't have any lettering, just plain gloss black. We had one ordered, we received it, but the paint was rashed severely bad. The guy said there was no paint issues, but when it got here, the paint was trashed, in my opinion. And anyways, that's a problem when you buy stuff from high humidity areas. This car came from Florida, so I'm taking it he did not store it properly, and that's why the paint rashed. So anyways, I'm still looking for that other variant to complete the Kingswood Estate lineup. There's 10 Auto World releases and now 2 Johnny Lightning releases. And Johnny Lightning's, I suppose they're going to do more variants of it, because they were talking about on the package last time how they have the both with hidden headlights also instead of the exposed headlights, and that they would be making more. So anyways, let's get to the point of today's video. That is this guy here, version A of the 1969 Chevy Kingswood Estate from Johnny Lightning, the Zinger, one of 6,010, just like the blue one. Now, this is why I could not tell there were two different cars. In the Hot Wheel world, this would just be a shade variant because it's so close. It's not even like two different colors. As you can see, I mean, yeah, the light blue is seafoam green, but with the exact same tampos, everything, like, it's just very hard to distinguish that there were two different versions. I was expecting one to be like red or black or something with flames or a totally different tampo than this albino wood grain on the side. But it wasn't. So that's why we missed it and such. And so this also has the same thing. This is the first reissue of our new Zinger 1969 Chevy Kingswood Estate casting. Or first release, in that issue. So this is also the first Zinger wagon since the original 1957 Chevy Nomad from 2003. I think they took the Country Squire and did this to it too. Not sure, but I could say that I've seen some, but I'm not sure if it's original Johnny release or if it was a custom by someone else. So anyways, but these are original Johnny Lightning releases, but it is a Outer World body, just like the square body Zingers. They're Outer World bodies on a Johnny Lightning Zinger chassis. So anyways, let's get him out the car and take a look at him and put him right next to this guy facing off. And as you can see, that's like, as I said, in Hot Wheels, like something that close, that's like a shade difference. Like I had the Redliners Premium 55 Chevy Gasser, the orange one, and there's a dark orange one and a light orange one, and it's something like similar to this. Like it was kind of like a reddish orange versus like a light vitamin C orange, something like that. But this light blue and seafoam green is very, very close. So that's why I overlooked it, because they're so close. But yeah, that's both variants so far from Johnny Lightning. Hopefully we'll see this guy come out again, like Zinger, or with a regular base on it in maybe the Spoiler series or the Demolition Derby series, something like that. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping to see it again from Johnny Lightning. I would prefer actually it to come back from Auto World in like a all one solid color, without the wood grain. Bone stock hubcaps, just one solid color of like a green or red or something, because all their stock releases are wood grain sides, and they have one like rat rod in a satin black, and it has no wood grain. It's got the like American style 5-spokes on it. Then you have the lead sled with no wood grain, and then you have the counterpart bracket racer in gloss black with no wood grain. But they're kind of like modified, so I'd like to see it stock release with like the thin white wall tires, the stock hubcaps, or some Stillies color match to the body color with hubcaps on it. That would also be cool. The little poverty cap style wheels. Seeing that done. Something similar to these Max wedges. Just color match Stillies with the poverty caps. And then one solid color on the wagon. That would be cool to see from Auto World. So I'm hoping Auto World brings it back, because Auto World does more realistic stuff than like the Johnny Lightning. Although I do like these, they're cool, but still yet the more conservative stuff is my cup of tea. So guys, that's it for Wagon Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed it, and seeing these guys side by side, A and B versions. We'll be back on Friday for a Free It Friday. We're going to be bringing you a couple of box style Impala / Caprices from Green Light. We'll be unboxing them on Friday, so be sure to tune back in for our Free It Friday. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your week.